After a short silence, Miss Pratibha said, I gave this activity with a special purpose to teach you about the need and importance of creativity in life and to discuss the hindrances that come on your way to excel. Some of you shared that you took flowers as it was easily available. So, she wanted to discuss some principles of life. जो easily मिल जाता है वो उतना easily निकल भी जाता है हाथों से. So, shortcuts के तरफ नहीं भागना चाहिए. Always struggle and work hard to achieve what all goals you have planned and set. Those who search for easy ways and shortcuts will find it difficult to come out with flying colors. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam says to children, you must be ready to experiment, explore, and excel. You all will excel if you work hard with determination. Determination means strong will. In Hindi, if I say it is Dhrad Sankalp. If you have different creative talents, you must keep some time to develop them. See how Nikita tries to develop her talents through her determination and hard work. So what all creativity you have to work towards developing it. Then she continues to discuss, but again here the case of Sudha Chandran is taken. People with creativity and positivity will find ways to excel. They will overcome their weaknesses with their creative resourcefulness. Have you heard about Sudha Chandran, an actress and international classical dancer? She is a Keralite classical dancer. She met with an accident when she was 16 years old and got her leg amputated. But the accident or surgery did not take away her creative energy and enthusiasm. She overcame her disability by getting a prosthetic Jaipur foot. After 2 years break, she continued passionate steps with renewed vigor and became one of the most popular and acclaimed classical dancers of the country. She has won many awards for her amazing steps and an honorary doctorate from Invertis University, Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh. A real inspiration for many of us. So here a case of Sudha Chandran is given. I think you all have understood. She met with an accident and she lost her legs, but she got the artificial foot after that, and with that artificial foot it's difficult to manage, but even she persisted. She was determined to work on her creative energies of classical dance, and after 2 years she made it so smooth for herself that even with the artificial legs she achieved international acclaim. God has given different creative powers in each child. It is not only famous personalities like scientists, artists, writers, musicians, dancers, and actors who are creatively resourceful. Those who have the ability to love, serve, suffer, forgive, and smile are also in this list. It is a good exercise to repeat constantly, I can, I will, and I must. जैसे हम लोग में कोई ऐसे बच्चे होते हैं जो बोलते हैं नहीं हो पाएगा मेरे से, मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा, मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी. सो दैट्स अ डिफरेंट थिंग. अगर आप लोग ये चीज़ें फेस करते हैं तो क्या करना, डेली बिफोर स्लीपिंग टेक अ डायरी एंड इन दैट डायरी यू राइट ओनली दीज 3 words, आई कैन, आई विल एंड आई मस्ट. मैं कर सकता हूँ, मैं करूँगा, और आई कैन, मैं कर सकता हूँ, मैं करूँगा, एंड आई मस्ट, आई एम नॉट गेटिंग दैट. लेट इट बिकम अ पार्ट ऑफ योर थिंकिंग, डिसीजंस एंड I must means मुझे करना चाहिए. Let it become a part of your thinking, decisions and actions. Once a sculptor means मूर्तिकार, जो मूर्ति बनाता है, while looking at the stone said, there's an angel hidden in this stone. I will release her. There are hidden angels within us too. उस स्कल्प्टर ने कहा कि इस स्टोन के अंदर एक एंजल है, मैं उस एंजल को रिहा करूंगा. सो हमारे अंदर भी एक एंजल है, एक पॉजिटिव क्रिएटिव एनर्जी, एंड वी हैव टू रिलीज दैट. We should try to release them. We must allow them to come out. We should realize our inner resources and develop them to become experts. हमारे अंदर जो hidden treasure है, hidden creative energies है, उसे हमें बाहर निकालना है. And we have to excel ourselves. कोई दूसरा आके हमारी मदद नहीं करेगा, हमें हमारी मदद खुद करनी है. अपनी सेल्फ एस्टीम को अपने सामने रखो और अपनी क्रिएटिविटी को डेवलप करो. And this is not something that I am telling you all to do. I am telling myself also. So let it not be you. Let it be us. We have to work on it. So done with this chapter 2. You have to work on these activities what all are given, and about that you have to be creative. Thank you.